Detect changes is compliance software for a specific operational decision, identifies substantive differences between new and existing regulatory texts. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that compliance teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Detect changes narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Detect changes starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include original regulatory text, updated regulatory text, substantive change threshold, text segmentation method, and minimum change length. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the overall similarity percentage between the original and updated texts by comparing their content while optionally ignoring formatting differences. Count the number of text sections that contain substantive changes based on the similarity threshold and minimum change length. Determine the total number of sections in the text based on the selected segmentation method. Calculate the percentage of sections that contain substantive changes relative to the total number of sections and calculate the net percentage change in text volume between the original and updated versions. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how compliance teams actually make decisions. Detect changes returns structured outputs such as overall similarity, substantive sections, impact ratio, change category, and section-by-section similarity analysis. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of detect changes is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated compliance work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.